Hello guys, long time no see. This is a quick one about a collectible piece that I received today in the mail, and it actually fits to perfectly to this day. It came in this special box with a display screen, and basically the knife, it's a Spartan model. For those of you that are interested in particular this one, the model number is 1.3603.7R2, and this on the scales is actually the Romanian flag. The box itself, it's pretty interesting, and it allows you to display the knife without the fear of getting dust on it or humidity or anything like that. So on the front it has the Romanian flag, the Victorinox shield, which I think it's also painted, unlike the original one that is actually inlaid. And as I mentioned before, it's a basic Spartan with the usual opening layer, can opener, bottle opener, flat screwdriver, and wire stripper, also a half stop, like all the Victorinox knives. It has a main blade, and also a small blade. On the back side, as usual, we have the 4-turn corkscrew and the awl / reamer with a sewing eye. So it has the Romanian flag on the front and also on the back, and on the back you can also see the name of the country, Romania. And the reason why I mentioned this is a special piece for a special occasion is because today Romanians celebrate the 1st of December, which is the Romanian National Day, and I would like to take the opportunity to wish all the Romanians out there a happy 1st of December, and don't abuse the țuică and sarmale too much. And as always, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.